Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all well. Friends, welcome to our channel, and if you like our video, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. If you can easily reach the notification, this is the topic of our video, how we can move the screen icon from one place to another. So, let's go guys, let's start the video. You just have to follow this video and you will learn to move the icon from one place to another. Place the mouse arrow on the icon you want to move from one place to another. After that, you want to move the icon here. You have to move the mouse arrow there and drop it there. Similarly, you can move other icons from one place to another. Similarly, you can move other icons from one place to another. Similarly, you can easily move all these iPhones from one place to another. Similarly, you can easily move all these iPhones from one place to another. So friends, how did you like the video? If you liked the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you can easily reach the notification of every new video related to this computer course. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz in the next video.